Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oliver. I am Brave Trader is my screen handle. I've been trading stocks since 2009, over 15 years now. I love it, been very good at it, very successful. Now I'm at the point in my career when I want to start doing YouTube videos and helping you guys out be profitable as well. Trading is easy, it is not complicated. There's a lot of videos out there overcomplicating trading for no reason. There is a bunch of made-up indicators that don't make any sense to me. You need 3 major indicators. You need about 3 or 4 different major technicals to help you trade stocks and be successful. The key is to be brave. Don't hesitate when you pull the trigger, and don't hold on to a losing position hoping it's going to come back in your favor. You will probably most likely lose a lot of money on that holding position that's losing already. Those are the main takeaways. I'm going to come up with more videos your way. They're going to help you out start trading well. If you have any questions, post them down in the comment section. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.